Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the single most important function in DAX, calculate. This function is the cornerstone of complex Power BI models because it lets you control the filter context, telling your visuals exactly how and where to calculate data, overriding any slicers or filters currently applied. Step 1. Understanding filter context. Standard functions like sum simply aggregate data based on the filters already active on your report page. However, calculate changes that filter context for an expression, allowing you to override or apply specific filters regardless of slicers or other visuals. Step 2. Creating the measure. It's best practice to keep all your calculations organized in a dedicated measure table. Select the measure table where you store your metrics. In the ribbon, click New Measure. The formula bar appears. We will now define our measure using the calculate syntax. Step 3. Implementing the formula example. Let's create a measure called Sales 2014, which only shows sales from that specific year, no matter what year the user selects on the report page. We'll use this DAX expression. Sales 2014 equals calculate sum of sales amount, sales year equals 2014. Sum of sales amount, this is the expression, or what we want to calculate, total sales. Sales year equals 2014 is the filter argument. It forces the calculation to run only where the year equals 2014, ignoring any other year selections the user makes. This results in a fixed value for 2014 sales, providing a reliable benchmark for comparisons. The calculate function is essential for building robust scenario-based measures and ensuring calculations stay consistent despite user interactions. I hope this helps you out, and I see you in the next one.